Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how to create a really simple brutalism photo effect, and you could apply it to your posters or maybe to your t-shirt design. I see a lot of t-shirt designers do the same trick, and it's really simple, like I said. So what you need is your image, a simple portrait of an old painting, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to this icon and we're gonna choose threshold. And this is the trick about creating these beautiful effects, is that let's just clip it first so that we don't affect the background. Something just like this. And now what we could do is we could go to select, then color range, and instead of choosing different colors, we could just simply choose shadows, and it's gonna select the shadows. You could adjust the fuzziness and the range. Now we could go and select a solid color, maybe something like this. And we could go again to the color range, and instead of the shadows, we could choose the highlights. And let's just press OK. Photoshop already did a great job selecting the highlights. And now we could choose some different color. Maybe a red or some blue like this. Like I said, this is really simple. And just to show you how simple that is, I'm gonna create another example. Let's group all of this and turn off the layer. Then I'm gonna press Ctrl V to paste this image. Now I'm gonna go again, click on this icon, then choose threshold. And let's play with the values until we find something that we like. Again, let's clip it. Let's go to select, color range. Now instead of choosing highlights or shadows, you could simply use this color picker and click. Let's choose sample colors, then click like this. Now let's go to solid color. You could create beautiful effects using this, some dual tone colors or whatever you like. I just prefer to keep it this way. Then again, color range. And let's click on the highlights this time. Solid color. And maybe something like this, I don't know. Okay, you could now add some scan lines or some photocopy effects from the previous tutorials that I did. If you didn't watch them, make sure to do. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to press like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.